In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress errors quickly and safely using simple step-by-step methods that anyone can follow. Whether you're seeing a critical error message, a white screen of death, or your site just isn't loading properly, these fixes will help you troubleshoot and get your website back online. Make sure you watch until the end because the last step can save your site if nothing else works. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is clear your cache. Sometimes the issue isn't actually with your website, it's just a cached version stored in your browser. Open your site in an incognito or private window to see if the problem still appears. If it loads correctly there, then you know it's a caching issue. You should also clear your browser cache completely. If you're using a caching plugin like WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache, or Lightspeed Cache, log into your dashboard and clear the plugin cache as well. This simple step alone fixes many common WordPress display and loading problems. Next, check your admin email inbox. When WordPress detects a critical error, it often sends an automatic recovery mode email to the site administrator. Open your inbox and look for a message explaining that your site is experiencing a technical issue. Inside that email, you'll find a special recovery mode link. Click that link and log into your dashboard. From there, WordPress will usually tell you which plugin or theme caused the issue. You can then safely deactivate the problematic plugin or switch themes directly from the dashboard without breaking your site further. If you're not seeing a specific error message and your site is just blank or broken, the next step is to enable debugging mode. To do this, access your website files using your hosting file manager or FTP. Locate the WP config.php file in your root directory. Open it and find the line that says define WP DEBUG false. Change false to true. Save the file and refresh your website. WordPress will now display the actual PHP error message, which helps you identify exactly what's causing the problem. Once you finish troubleshooting, remember to turn debugging back off. Another very common cause of WordPress errors is low PHP memory. To increase it, open your WP config.php file again. Above the line that says, "That's all, stop editing," add the following line. Define WP memory limit 256 MB. Save the file and refresh your site. Increasing the memory limit gives WordPress more resources to run plugins and themes properly, especially if your website has grown or you recently installed a heavy plugin. If the problem still isn't fixed, try renaming your htaccess file. Using FTP or your hosting file manager, go to your WordPress root directory and find the file named .htaccess. Rename it to something like .htaccess_old. Then refresh your website. If it starts working again, log into your dashboard, go to Settings, then Permalinks, and click Save Changes. This will automatically generate a new clean .htaccess file for you. Finally, if all else fails, deactivate your plugins or theme manually. Go to your WP content folder and rename the plugins folder to plugins_old. This instantly deactivates all plugins. If your site comes back online, rename the folder back to plugins and reactivate each plugin one by one to find the one causing the issue. You can do the same process with your active theme folder if needed. And that's it. You've learned how to fix WordPress errors today using practical troubleshooting steps. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.